Hello everyone, welcome to our second session. So we're working on set 2, sound 2. And it is the sound E. So I'm going to hand you over to the beautiful Mrs. Woodruff to do a session around the sound E.
Hi boys and girls, thank you for that lovely welcome, Miss Siddall. Right, so as Miss Siddall says, today we're going to look at E. E.
E.
E. Brilliant. This little boy here, he's got some binoculars and his dad behind the tree is saying, "What can you see?" Can you ever go at saying that? I'll do it again. What can you see? Your turn.
What can you see?
What can you see? Brilliant. And I've got some words here and they've got the E sound in. So I'm going to Fred talk the words. See if you can put them back together and tell me the word. S, E, S, E, S, E.
Oh, I think I might have this one.
Have you guessed it?
E, C.
Brilliant. It is. It's the word see. Let's have a go at the next one. E. 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 Have you guessed it? Yeah, it's 3. Brilliant. So when we see this side of the card, we say, what can you see? Brilliant. When we see this side of the card, we say E. The and the are special friends, and together they make one sound, the sound E. So when we see this side of the card, we say E. Your turn. Brilliant. What about this side? What do we say? What do you see? Brilliant. Brilliant. So I've got my E sound now on a smaller card, and I'm going to put it in the cards that have been previously taught and that you've already looked at. I'm going to say all the sounds first and spot our new sound E, and then you're going to have a turn. So, W, Ng, A, Ch, E. Yeah, that's my new sound. Hide it again.
Ooh, this time I'm going to join in, Mrs. Woodruff, and see if I can spot the E sound before the children can.
Nk, Kwa, Sh, W, Ng, A.
E! Found it!
Brilliant, well done. Right, children, see if you can say the sounds now. I'm not going to say the sounds, and then make sure that you shout as loud as you can and point to our new sound. So the sound.
E!
Brilliant.
Found it!
Well done. One more go. Just so you can see the rest of these already taught sounds. E, brilliant. You beat me Siddall that time. Right, so now look at some words with the E sound in. So I'm going to have a turn first. I'm going to look for my special friend, and then I'm going to Fred talk the word, and I'm going to use my dots and dashes side to help me. So special friend in this word is E. S, E. C. Special friend, E. Oh, and if I have a look at my dashes, I've got another special friend. It's the sound. Now I'm going to Fred talk. E. 3.
Ooh, can I be tested on one of them, please, Mrs.
You
Woodruff?
certainly can. Special friend, Miss Siddall.
E.
Fred talk.
G. R. E. N.
Can you tell me the word?
G. R. E. Green.
Brilliant. Oh, have a look at this one, Miss Siddall. What's your special friend in this word?
Oh, this was from the last session. Oh, I've got it. A.
Perfect. Fred talk.
A.
What does the word say?
May.
Yeah, brilliant.
Oh, is that the name of the next month that we're about to go into?
It certainly is. Fred talk. Well, in fact, it's not Fred talk, is it? Special friends. A. Fred talk. A. Play. We've got the A sound again. Your turn this time, children. So, special friends. Fred talk. Tell me the word. Brilliant, it was C. Special friend.
Ooh, remember
friends.
there's two.
And Fred talk. 3. Excellent. Special friends. Fred talk. Green. Brilliant. Special friend in this one. It's not the E sound. Yeah, it's A. Brilliant. Fred talk. May. Special friends. And Fred talk. Play. Brilliant. Let's have a look at these alien words, these nonsense words. Do you want to have a go at this for me, Miss Siddall?
Ooh,
Can
yes,
you spot
please.
your special friend in this word? There's no dots and dashes to help you.
Ooh, this makes it trickier, and it's even trickier that the word's not real. Oh, I can spot in the middle the E, special friend.
Brilliant. Did you spot that, children? And Fred talk?
In. Veen.
Yeah, nonsense.
What a load of nonsense.
What about this one?
Oh, this special friend. I think there might be two, Mrs. Woodruff. And the one at the beginning is quite tricky. So I'm going to start with the one in the middle. I know the E. Ooh, the other special friend. Is it the Qu?
It is the Qu.
Ooh.
Brilliant. Fred talk?
Qu. E. P. Queep.
Yeah, nonsense. Right, pause the video. Go and get yourself a pen and a piece of paper and a whiteboard pen. Right, are you back? Brilliant. You can put your equipment down for a minute because you just need your fingers because we're going to Fred talk the words. So, hands behind your back. Don't forget you can get your grown-ups to help as well with this. So, I want to Fred talk the word may. I'm not going to start with the E sound. May. Remember that sound. How do we Fred talk the word may? How many sounds can you hear?
Once you've worked it out, use your fingers to show us how many sounds are in may.
Are you ready to show me? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's 2. A. May. Have a go at writing the word may.
You might need to pause the video while you write it, and then you can pick up once you've wrote it down.
If you wrote that, brilliant. So you just need your fingers again this time, and this time I want you to Fred talk the word see. E, see. How many fingers do I need to Fred talk the word see? 1, 2, 3, show me. Yeah, did you get 2? Brilliant. Pinch your sounds. S, E, see. Brilliant.
Can I test you this time, Mrs. Woodruff?
You certainly can.
And see if you can choose the right amount of sounds before the children. I'd like to challenge you and the children on the word green. How many sounds are in green? I'm going to count to 3, and on 3, could you show me your fingers to show me how many sounds are in the word green? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I think we need to just double check that. Should we have a little go? Let's do it together, guys.
G, E, N. Green.
Perfect. How many should they have had, Mrs. Woodruff?
4.
4 sounds in green.
And do you know what I forgot to do, children? I forgot to ask you to write me the word see. I might have forgot to ask you to write the word may as well. So I'm just going to recap them. May. A. May. Write me the word. You can pause video if you need to.
And if you've already wrote it, you can be just checking it now as well.
Yeah, double check, ready for tick or fix. Then I wanted you to Fred talk and write me the word see. Use your fingers again just to help you. S-E, S-E, see. Write me the word see. And what was the last spelling, Miss Siddall? Oh, it was green. So we Fred taught the word green and we knew there were 4 sounds. We'll check that. G, E, N. Green. Write the word green.
Remember, you might need to pause the video now so you don't see the tick and fix until you've wrote the words.
And then I'm going to throw another one in.
Ooh.
So we'll Fred taught this one first. See if I can trick you out with this. The word I want you to Fred taught this time is the word 3. 3. Think about your special friends in that word. How many special friends have you got? So how many sounds? 1, 2, 3, show me. Yeah, it was 3. 3 for 3. Picture sounds. E. 3. Write the word 3. Brilliant. And when you've done that, we'll get ready to tick or fix. So the first word I asked you to write was the word may. A. A. Tick or fix. Now Miss Siddall said something about this word. We're going to be coming into the month of May. So if I was writing the month of May, what would my need to be?
Come on, year 2s, we're talking about this all the time.
If I was talking about the month May, what would I need to start with? Yeah, I need to start with a capital M, wouldn't I? Because it's the name of the month.
I wonder if children know what letter name the is given.
Tricky that, maybe they could be practising then their alphabet sounds, and there's lots and lots and lots of YouTube videos to learn your ABCs. So it's the letter M. Next word we asked you to write was the word green. No, it wasn't, it was C. E. So tick or fix. E. Brilliant. And I asked you to write the word green. G. E. G. E. So you can put your dots and dashes on as well if it helps you. Each sound gets a tick. And the last sound was 3. Try to trick you out with this one. E. 2 special friends. Brilliant, and that's the E sound for today. See you next time.
See you next time.